Breaking news! It's me, new reporter 7, back to you live to tell you about our snowstorm. Now, here at Gorilla Tag, there has been a big snowstorm coming in through the weekend. Now, we think this might happen Monday and Tuesday as well. Now, now, so at the snowstorm, there have been piles in forest. There have been some piles in mountains. Well, there's more snow in mountains than there is. Might not look like it, but yes. So basically, there's just a bunch of snow all over Gorilla Tag because of a big snowstorm. Now, that's all for today. This is New Reporter 7, signing off. Wait, no. This is Monkey News, signing off.